Hello guys, welcome to 𝐿 YouTube channel. In this video we are going to use Fibonacci retracement to find the projected upward levels of any stocks. So how we can do it? So here I'm taking with one example of ITC. So first what we have to do, we just have to mark the low and the high of recent uptrend. But here if you see, this is first uptrend. So we will mark high of this and we will mark the low of this. So for that we will first go to the options to find where is the Fibonacci retracement. So if you go on this menu and in this you will find this Fibonacci retracement. It is known as like Fib Retracement. So once you click this, mark the low and mark the high. So this is one of the uptrend move that we marked with the low to high, because this is uptrend. So we start from the low and goes till the high of this uptrend. And then what if the stock is in the downtrend? So we will go with the high and then we will go with the low. So it will be like a reverse, like from the high to the low. So 100 will be always placed at the beginning of any one side of the trend. So here 100 is placed on the top and 0 is placed on the bottom. So this is one of the trend and this is uptrend. So we are making the 100 the bottom here and 0 at here. Here in my Fib retracement, I have changed some settings. So you can change your settings as per my setting if you want. So I have only taken from 0 to 1 and I have removed all other levels which are unnecessary. And then I have changed the background as a use one color. And I have mentioned the percentage and the prices on the right hand side of the Fib retracement. These are my settings for Fib retracement, and keeping all other settings as it is. Okay, so let's see. So now let me adjust this level properly. So high of this candle is 258. So I will just double click here. I will go to the coordinates. So our high is 258 and the low of this candle is 207. So I will mark 207. So this is our first uptrend Fib retracement. So once any candle gives the breakout of this, so what we can do, we will just keep everything as it is and we will just move this to the recent swing low. So we can see this was the one swing low and then from here it started to again move up. So since it is in the uptrend, so we will keep on keeping it as a uptrend movement. So we will keep this one as our highest level, like 299.60, and the low of this is 248.80. So we will just adjust a bit. Without changing the value, we will have to keep the length of this Fib retracement as it is. So I will just adjust 248 point, let's consider as a 75 only. So we will get ultimate level as 299.75. So now let's go how the price is working. And if stock breaks this swing low, then we have to remove all these things and we have to move this bottom line to the recent swing low that it will make, because here it will start a bit of a downtrend. It can happen that after this much of uptrend it can also start a retracement or it can start the downtrend. So far it is maintaining above this swing low. So we'll keep this as it is, and it is now consolidating between 61.8% and 78.6%, and it is again still above this swing low. Now you can see all these candles are moving up. Once it gave the breakout of 78.60, gave the breakout of 61.80. So generally what happens whenever it gives the 61.8% of breakout, it tends to move quickly to 50%. There is a high probability that it will move to 50%. And look again, it moved back from the 38.2%, went till 50%, now aiming to reach till here. Maybe it will take support from here and then again continue its uptrend. It opened below 61.8% and made kind of a hammer pattern. So this is on daily chart. And now let me just increase a bit of a length of this So now you can see above 68.1 it will directly hit 50%. We have not marked levels from any chart. We just moved that fib retracement of this previous trend, and we can see that even without marking from the past price action, this price is already following this fib retracement. And you can see it has been consolidating again between 61.8 and 50%. So now it has taken support 1, 2, and now it has blasted, but it stopped at 50% of this fib retracement, and now it is keep on hovering between 50% again. So now this is just closing above 50%. So let's see if it will continue to close above 38, 23.60, and if it hits our target or not. So this is generally for the positional trade. You can also use in intraday, but it will be a bit you will need quick reaction to this. Like you have to be very quick in arranging and finding the trend for that uptrend or the downtrend. So here still price is rejecting from 50% even if it gave closing, but the next candle couldn't give the follow up. It closed below the 50% and the next candle goes below 61.8%. If you are buying from here after the breakout, so if you are into the positional trade, so you can use this level to buy on dip. Any dip, if it is coming, you can keep on adding, and you can either book at 38.2 or 50% partial profit you can book here, or you can hold it till the target here, or you can hold it once this candle close below this swing low. Let me move more. So the price has been consolidating, which is a good sign. And look, after 50% here it tested. Previously it has already tested, and now it will not wait. It has broken 50%, 38.2%. Now aiming for 23.6% and our ultimate target. It has also broken this. Again retesting this. Now in between these two level, almost touched, made high of 299.50 and our projected was 299.75. And look at the closing came at 299.55, almost our target hit. So let's say you have bought it here, so from here to here you got 11% from here. Now the candle has not closed above, so we cannot move the fib retracement yet. So we will wait. If any candle closes above this, then we can move the fib retracement. Yeah, this candle just closed above it, and we will find the recent swing. So we can see the recent swing is here. So what we can do, just pull it and just mark the low. Low is 258.55 and our marked low over here is 258.60. Yeah, so it is plus or minus is okay, that much is okay. So our next projected target is coming at 309.60. so now if you have booked profit here and you are holding partial, so you have all this much of level to add more quantity for your portfolio or for your positional trading, and your stop loss will be just below this 258.60 level. As soon as the candle closes below here, you will exit. Till then you can ride the trend. And this has already broke our ultimate target as well. So we will book profit here. Candle, we can see it is not proper bullish candle. It is a sign of a bearish kind of a shooting star, but it has given the closing above our projected level. So we will move this to the recent swing. What is the recent swing? It is going up and down. So here it made the recent swing of low. So we will just move it slightly over here, and we will mark the low of this candle is 289.15 and our mark is 289.10. and now we will see here it is coming 61.8, and now we will keep the stop loss just below this and keep on trailing the remaining quantity. And if it is coming here, we will try to add some more quantity with stop loss below this swing low. So our ultimate projected level is 340. Now it is swinging again between 50% and 61.8, and this candle has given the breakdown of 61.8%. So still we are not adding any more quantity because we have booked partial profit here, we have booked partial profit over here 309, and now we are just holding it, the remaining quantity. it will be better if we can add some quantity here and some quantity here. It will give you good risk reward ratio. So this is so far 16th August. So far today it is like this. So now it has given the good bullish candle above 61.8%. So let's aim if we can achieve in next few months till 340, and we will keep on holding the partial quantity as far as it is above these two level. We will add some more quantity here and add some more quantity here. We have already made good profit from this swing till here, till 309, and we are holding the remaining quantity. So this is one of the example. So now let me take another example of Adani Enterprise. So here we can see there is this up move. So first what we will do, we will go here, select Fib Retracement, mark the low of this swing low. So the low is 1539.30. So we will mark 1539.30, and the highest swing is 2189.80. So we will mark 2189.80, and we will just enter the figure 2189.80, and the low of this candle is 1539.30. 1539.30, and I will just make it a bit longer. So this is one uptrend. So as soon as one candle close above this, we will move this Fib retracement to the recent swing low. So let's wait if any candle is closing above this or not. Yes, two candle give the closing above this, and we can see uptrend, down, uptrend and down. So recent swing is here, these two candle. If you see these two candle, this is the recent swing low. So what we will do, we will just move this Fib retracement to the recent swing low of this uptrend. So the low of this candle is 1800.15. So we will just adjust a bit, but we can just consider plus or minus 1 or 2 points in such big stock. So now let's see, the stock is nearly at 38.2%. It has given the breakout. Now it is in between 38.2 and 50%. Look, we have not marked this level from any of the past level. We have just moved our Fib retracement, and it is giving you the accurate level. From the same level it blasted, and we can move once any candle closes above this 0%. Till then we can hold again from this range. It has taken a bit of a support and closes a bit above. It has not closed below this 23.6%, and this candle gave the closing. So we can wait for if it is coming to 50% or 61.8% to add and enter into this stock. So it is coming at 38.2 and it is taking the support. If you are already in the trade, like if you have taken the trade from the earlier or somewhere here, so this will help you, like how long you can hold and what can be your trailing stop loss, or what can be the level where you can add more quantity into your portfolio. So this will help you to hold your stock or portfolio for a more longer time, and it will also help you to add more quantity. So look, you can see it has also given the breakdown of 50%, and now hovering around, and it is at 61.8%. so here we can add some more quantity, and if you want to take fresh position, so it is the level there you can add fresh position, and even at this level you can also take the fresh position, and your stop loss will be below 1800. So till 1800 you can buy on dip. You can keep on adding, and look, the reversal came from the 61.8%. It moved till 50%, and from 50% it has moved up. Now the next resistance for this will be 38.2%. It didn't close above 38.2. Next day again gap down. Another day gap up and closed above 38.2. And look, here it is also like you can, it will help you. It will not make you panic like the stock is falling, but it is giving you the opportunity. It is falling and it is coming with good risk reward to enter in this. So if you are here, if you mark this level, you are even added this stock into your portfolio. Some trader who don't have any knowledge, they might get panic and they will exit the position, and next day they will see that, oh, stock is moving up. You see, this will help you. Now it is just consolidating. Look again, 61.8%, and it went up. This is only for if you are holding stock in portfolio for longer time, kind of investment that it will help you. And now it is coming at the 23.60%. So you can see exit at the same projected level. It gave the closing 2451.30 is the closing of this candle, and the high of this candle is 2459.30. So it didn't break the low of this swing low. It gave you opportunity to add here. It gave you the opportunity to add at 61.8%, and it gave you the target as well. So now we will wait if any candle closes above it, and we will book partial profit here, and then once it comes down we will add more. But to move this Fibonacci retracement, we will wait for any one candle to close above this top level of our previous. So this candle gave the closing above this, so we will find very recent swing low. So we can see this was a low, and from here it started the up move. So we will mark the low of this candle. So low is 2025, and we will just move this thing to the low of this candle. So low is 2025. So now we can see the next target we can see is 2675.50. So let's see, we are holding this stock. We booked partial profit here at 2450, and now we have the ultimate level to add is 2164, 2273, 2350. Any dip coming till here we can add, and even till here we can add. It is up to your risk appetite how much you can take the risk. So it's always better to wait for 61.8% as well. It will give you the opportunity to add. 50% is also good, you can add here. But if you are adding at this much of higher level, you can add less quantity than your planned quantity. Going up, consolidating about 23.60, about to hit our target, and gave the closing above it. So now we can see the recent swing low is this trend. From here it started the uptrend. We cannot consider this as a uptrend because it was here, it made the swing low and then it went up. So we will take the nearest swing low where it started to uptrend. This is not uptrend, this was the uptrend that it gave, because this is just a one breakout candle of this consolidation. So we will mark the low of this green candle is 2236.50. So we will go 2236.50. So we will just consider 2237.50. So now you are booking partial profit here. You will wait for some more dip till 2476. If it is coming down till here, then you can add more quantity here, and then we can aim for 2988. So it has reached till 38.2. Now it is in between 38.2 and 50%. High is 2834.90, and our mark level is 2834.45. We are not checking any past levels or anything. We are just moving our Fib retracement, and all the levels are acting as a perfect support and resistance. It is now sitting above this 23.60 level, moving up, and just today on 16th of August it exactly come near the our mark level. So it has made the high of 2986. Our mark level was 2988. So we can see here you can book some more profit. And now from here, if you have to consider the swing low, then you can consider the swing low of this thing, because from here it shows the uptrend. So we will move this thing to the low of this candle. So low of this candle is 2531.60. So we will consider 2530, and then we can aim for the target of 3181. But we can see the retracement till here. Here, this is the opportunity to add into the portfolio. Here, here, and here. So 50, 61.8 and 78.6. Here you can add some more quantity. Here you can add less quantity. Here you can add less quantity. Here you can add some more quantity, and you can keep a bit of a stop loss below round figure of this 2500. Once it gives the closing below this, better to book most of the profit from the stock in your portfolio. So let's see, I will keep you posted if we can achieve this level or not. So this is till now on 16th of August 2022. That I will post in maybe in my Telegram channel. So link of my Telegram channel is in the description. You can follow my Telegram channel. It is free, and sometimes I'm also sharing some intraday trade during the market, and also sharing some ideas, some knowledge that you can also utilize, and it will be helpful for you, and it can make you independent to find your own trade without depending on anyone. Thank you for watching. All the best.